This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. A character who has lightning charges, the right spell slot or item, and allies placed to be affected. Once ready, use your first actionable step. Cast the charge or activate the item on the nearest enemy, immediately targeting a position that allows a follow-up jump. Make sure to conserve action economy by combining bonus actions or reactions if available. This sets up multi-target arcs. Do this fast to build momentum for chain damage. Once done with the initial activation, focus on execution. Prioritize clustered or flanked enemies because lightning charges jump to nearby targets and scale with distance and line of sight. You should position yourself or manipulate terrain. High ground and gaps can change jump paths. Make sure to use bonus actions or reactions that regenerate charges or grant extra casts. This keeps the chain alive. If a charge can be delayed for an ally combo, wait. Timing often multiplies total damage more than raw casting speed. To finish, execute your final bursts. Target remaining enemies so the chain arcs through as many foes as possible, ending on the highest value target. If the chain fizzles, inspect positioning, move a unit or create clear line of sight. Obstacles often break jumps. Make sure to check for resistances or immunities and swap targets accordingly. If you run out of charges mid-fight, use consumables, scrolls, or abilities that restore charges. That single recovery can turn a lost encounter into a win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.